Hello everyone! Welcome to English News for Learners. I am your host. Today is December 18th. It is getting colder in Japan. I hope you are staying warm. Let's learn English with today's news. We have 5 stories from Japan. 次世代半導体の AI 設計. Japan's chip maker Rapidus has a new tool. It uses artificial intelligence. This AI helps design advanced computer chips. These are 2-nanometer chips. They are very small and powerful. The AI makes the design process faster. It also lowers the cost. Rapidus wants to compete globally. They will start using this AI next year. This is a big step for Japan. Next topic. Sony と Honda のどこか動くプレステ. Sony and Honda are making a new car. It is an electric vehicle called a Fila. This car has a special feature. You can play PlayStation games inside. It uses PlayStation Remote Play. You can stream games from your home. Drivers can use the car's screen. It turns the car into a game room. Passengers will never be bored. You only need a fast internet connection. Moving on to our third story. 公立例メルス棟梁の給食無償化. Japan has some good news for families. Public elementary school meals will be free. The government agreed on this plan. It will start in April 2026. The government will pay for the food. Families will save about 5,000 yen monthly. Prices for food are going up. This plan helps parents with costs. It supports children's health and growth. Next up, 個人向け国債の販売が好調. More Japanese people are buying government bonds. Sales reached the highest level since 2007. Many Japanese households are choosing bonds now. Why is this happening? Interest rates in Japan are rising. Some bonds now pay over 1%. This is better than bank deposits. People want their money to grow. Investors are watching the market closely. And finally, 国立劇場の歌舞伎ワークショップ. The National Theater in Tokyo is closed. It is being renovated right now, but they are offering special workshops. You can learn the basics of Kabuki. Experts will teach you traditional dance. You can even play the shamisen. This instrument has 3 strings. Usually, only professionals learn these skills. Now, everyone can try it. It's a great way to experience culture. That is all for today's news. Today, we learned about AI chips. We also heard about gaming cars. And we talked about school meals. I hope these stories were interesting. Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing a great job. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.